السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
عليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته. Yes, sir, salam.
Sheikh Assim, I have a hard question.
Ya Latif.
I have classes scheduled during Jumu'ah, and I find it difficult to attend the prayer without missing important lectures.
Where do you live? Where do you live?
And how can I balance both without compromising on my religious duties?
Where do you live?
In Kazakhstan.
Okay, and they don't break for salat like Muslims?
No, they are not.
Okay, if they do not break for salat and they don't give you time to pray, and you have to do your studies in order to live and progress in life, because you're the breadwinner, in this case, it is permissible for you to skip Salatul Jumu'ah and try your level best to squeeze time to go and pray Jumu'ah with other students or in the masjid afterwards, or do your level best to do it to the best of your ability, and Allah is most forgiving, most merciful. Umayr from the UK.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaikum assalam.
I am I'm 28 years old, but I have no desires to get married. It's not something that excites me, and it's not something that I want in my life. But my parents, they are pushing me very hard to get married within the next, say, 2-3 years. And they are saying that it's the farad of a child to do what the parent says in Islam, no matter what the circumstances. So what should I do in this situation?
Well, it is not normal for a person your age not to have the desire to marry women, because this is only natural. However, if you are not equipped like everyone else, or you have impotency, or you don't have any lust or desire to women, my advice would be not to get married at all. It is totally haram to harm another human being. A woman is interested in getting married to have a companion and to fulfill her natural desires like everyone else. And if she's married to someone who's not interested or unable to fulfill such desires, in this case it becomes prohibited. Now, the second solution would be if you find someone who is like you, who's not interested in having sexual relations, it would just want a companion. In this case, you may get married to such a person and have another roommate that is probably capable of cooking and cleaning for you, and that would be a win-win for all parties. And who knows, maybe something is going to trigger inevitably or eventually somewhere down the line, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best. I think we have Firdaus first. Firdaus?
Yes, Sheikh. Is it permissible for a male teacher to teach a group of adult female girls any kind of subject like physics, chemistry, or anything?
And is he doing this as part of his job at a school, or he's doing it privately?
Oh, privately, in a coaching center.
In a coaching center, as long as they're abiding by the hijab and there is no free mixing and he's lowering his gaze and they are a group of women, there is no problem, inshallah, providing there is no fitna on him, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best. Rizni from Sri Lanka. Rizni.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Assalamu.
My brother consulted a female doctor for his hair treatment, and he had 2 sessions without knowing the Sharia rules of consulting a male doctor first. But now can he bring a mahram and consult the doctor, or should he change for a male doctor?
If there is a male doctor present, then he must go to the male doctor. Going to a female doctor and taking his brother or his father or his friends with him does not change the fact that he would be examined by a female, and that is prohibited unless it is a necessity or there is no other alternative, and Allah knows best.